Greetings to the 12 tribes. If you haven't watched my Enoch chapter 1 video, I suggest you check that one out because this is we're going over chapter 2 and chapter 3, which is only like 4 verses in the Book of Enoch that I have. Now, I like the book, the Apocrypha, because it fills in some of the gaps for me that's not in the 66. But the Book of Enoch is very interesting. And I wanted to start from chapter 1, which I did in the last video. Now I'm doing chapter 2 and 3. So let's jump into it real quick. Let me get my glasses so I can read here. Observe ye everything that takes place in the heaven, and how they do not change their orbit, okay, and the luminaries which are in the heaven, how they all rise and set in order, each in its season, and transgress not against their appointed order. So we see here in this very first verse, Enoch is telling us that for us to observe the heavens, the sun, the moon, the stars, and the sky, that they never alter their path or disobey the divine order that's given to them. We can see that. They faithfully rise and fall in their order. I'll give you an example, the sun. The sun rises from the east to the west. It won't get up tomorrow and say, you know what? I don't change my mind. I think I'm going to rise from the south to the north today. It's just not going to happen. The sun will always follow God's orders. Unless maybe Esau go up there and mess with it or something. Now, let's go to verse 2. Behold, ye the earth, and give heed to the things which take place upon it, from first to last, how steadfast they are, how none of the things upon the earth change, but all the works of God appear to you. Now, you'll see that the things upon the earth, the mountains, the rivers, the hills, and all the elements of the earth, the ocean, they all follow a divine order. And they don't break the Most High's laws that's set for them. Okay? I'll give you an example. The Nile River, which is in Africa, it won't change its course and appear in South America. It won't do that. Okay? It's just not. The mountains, they all stay in their set place. Now, 3. Behold, the summer and the winter, how the whole earth is filled with water, and clouds, and dew, and rain lie upon it. Okay, let's go to 3 now. Observe and see how in the winter all the trees seem as though they wither and shed all their leaves, except 14 trees, which do not lose their foliage, but retain their foliage from 2 or 3 years till the new ones come. The core message that Enoch is trying to teach us here is that everything follows God's laws, except for us. We're the only ones that will break the Most High commandments and do whatever we want to do. Now, Enoch says here in chapter 3, there are 14 trees that do not change its leaves in the winter It retains it for 2 to 3 years until the new ones come. And King has a list that he's put together, and I'm going to put it here on screen. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this reading. I love the Book of Enoch. Matter of fact, I love the Apocrypha. But the Book of Enoch, chapter 2 and 3, it specifically shows us it's only us, man. It's only us. It's only us, humanity, that refuses to follow the Most High's laws. We're the only ones that will say, you know what? The Most High says we should worship on the Sabbath. We should keep the Sabbath holy, the seventh day. We'll go, not we, but Esau and his children done changed it, and they go, well, seventh day. Now let's make it the first day. Let's do that. Let's go form churches. Let's do that on Sunday instead. We don't like Saturday. Or we'll say something like, you know what? The Most High says there's only one God. Let's just worship one God. Him and Him alone. Nah. Let's just make our own God. Let's make us a golden calf. Let's make a big rock that we can worship. Only humanity does things like that. And it's crazy. Anyway, all praises to the Most High. Here are the 14 trees, I believe, in chapter 3 that Enoch is talking about, because he didn't specify the 14 trees, but I think I have them. I also realized that these trees can be symbolic. It could symbolize that the righteous who remain faithful to Yah will even live a faithful life even around those who are dead spiritually. So I don't discount that. This could have spiritual meanings too, but these are the trees that I found in my research that would withstand harsh winters and in most cases, keeps its foliage and live and be revived, even by the hardship of weather. May the Most High bless the children of Israel, the 12 tribes, one nation. Abba, remember the Israelites. Remember your children, the ones you chose. All praises to the Most High.